So I'll be back with you in half an hour now when my wine has cooled. See you soon now. Dizzy. The first thing we need to do with the rhubarb, it's not a bloody rhubarb. The first thing we need to do with the beetroot. Good morning, and how are you, my fellow winemakers? Charlie, shut up, I'm not talking to you. Oh, shut up. Ah! Hunt over. So, Charlie, chill. Chill. Chill, move. Chill. Abs. Chill, move. What? So what we need to do now is pour over 2 litres of boiling water on top of the lettuce and the raisins and the sugar and those raisins. Shall I say right? With your rhubarb. With your beetroot. Stay. Quiet. And then what? And then once you've strained, an awesome invention, the tights. I love them. For this reason, not that I wear them. Anyway, good morning, and boy, have I got a great summer's wine for you, ready to make now for next summer. And that is cucumber wine. Cucumber wine is one of those underrated, undermade thieves. Dogs don't like cucumbers. Come on, move, move in your bowl, come on. Move. Move. Once you've put on about half a litre of whey on top of, really enhances the rhubarb. It's bloody beetroot it is, not rhubarb I'm making of. Anyway, because they have been forced to absorb that alcohol. Because they have been forced to absorb that alcohol. Because they have been forced to absorb that. Because they have been forced to absorb that oxygen until the rhubarb, for fuck's sake,